the International Space Station, floats 400 kilometers above Earth, a glowing beacon passing over the night side of our world. Astronauts call this place home, a vantage point where Earth looks close enough to touch, yet impossibly far away. But what if you accidentally fell from the ISS? Here's the first shocking truth: you wouldn't fall at all. Not down anyway. You just keep going. See, the ISS is already falling. Earth-AS gravity is still incredibly strong up here, about 90% as strong as it is on the ground. But the station also moves forward so fast, about 28,000 kilometers per hour, that as it falls toward Earth, our planet curves away beneath it. That endless fall is called orbit. So if you pushed away from the station, even gently, you'd enter your own slightly different orbit. At first, you'd just drift. The station would slowly get smaller. There is no air to slow you down, no ground to stop you. Space does not forgive even small mistakes. Without a tether, without propulsion, you would drift forever. Space is not empty, but it is almost nothing. There's no oxygen to breathe, no pressure to hold your body together, no air to carry sound. If you were out there without a suit, unconsciousness would come in about 15 seconds. Not from freezing, but from the simple, silent lack of oxygen. It would be quiet and strangely peaceful at first, but what if your orbit changed? If Earth finally pulled you in? You wouldn't fall straight down. You would spiral, faster and faster, your path bending around the globe. At around 120 kilometers above the surface, the air returns, and the atmosphere becomes a wall of fire. It's not because space is hot. It's because the air in front of you is being crushed so violently that it heats up to thousands of degrees. Friction turns incredible speed into incredible heat. This is why spacecraft need massive heat shields. A human body does not have one. That's why NASA plans for everything. Astronauts on a spacewalk are always attached by multiple tethers. They train relentlessly for every scenario and have emergency propulsion backpacks, like the SAFER unit. Every single spacewalk is built on layers and layers of safety. The ISS is not defying gravity, it is dancing with it. Orbit is a balance, a fragile harmony between falling and missing the ground. The same laws of physics that could pull you into a fiery end are the very same laws that keep the station flying. From up there, all the borders disappear. We see one planet, one home, and we realize just how precious it is to stay in orbit together. Thanks for watching.